Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl, Cecilia Ho. And my YouTube channel is Cecilia Oswald. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button so that you can get notification when I upload more healthy meal and healthy drink. And this wonderful channel of mine is all about how to prepare healthy meal, how to prepare healthy drink, so that we can stay young, we can stay healthy, we can look beautiful and glow from inside out. Remember, you're what you eat. Remember, you're what you eat. And what am I making today? For today's video, I'm actually making a vegetable rice cauliflower. And to make this wonderful recipe, which is safe for all ages, I'll be using the following ingredients. So today's video, I'm making vegetable rice cauliflower, and I'm using those following ingredients. I have some spring onions here. I have the rice cauliflower. I got this from Sam's Club, and I'll actually be using 2.5 bags of this. I have mackerel, and I'm using mackerel fish because it's very, very good for the heart. And I have shrimps here, and also I have some chicken liver. The reason why I'm using chicken liver is because it is loaded with iron. So I'm using chicken liver. I have some frozen green peas here, which I'll be adding to my vegetable rice cauliflower. I have some carrots here. And I also have my seasoning, my salt, my seasoning, and the vegetable oil that I'll be using. I have ginger here. And I'll be using the following spices. I have garlic parsley here. I have lemon pepper here. I have rosemary here. So I'm using all these ingredients to make this wonderful recipe today, which I call vegetable rice cauliflower. Remember, it's all about keeping healthy, staying safe, loading our body with a lot of nutrients that can help us to grow, to glow, to boost our immunity, and to stay young and healthy. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Cecilia Oswald, and let's dive in. I love you all. I do not take your time for granted. I really appreciate you taking your time to watch this wonderful video. Let's dive in. So now I'm cooking the vegetable cauliflower. So what I'll be doing first, I'll be frying the shrimps. So the first thing I'll be adding the shrimps into the vegetable oil. And keep in mind, I'm cooking vegetable cauliflower rice. So I added the shrimps. So I can as well go ahead and add the carrots into this. I've added the carrots. I'm cooking vegetable cauliflower rice. So I've added the shrimps and the carrots. So I have blended ginger here. I blended my ginger. I'm adding this too. I've added the blended ginger into this. I'll go ahead and add the parsley flakes. The lemon pepper, and the rosemary leaves. So I also had pinch of salt. I'm adding pinch of salt. So I'm going to allow this to cook for a while, to steam for a while. So the mackerel is cooked. I just have to debone the mackerel. And just get it done. And that is what I'm doing now. Removing the bones and the mackerel. I'm going to add the mackerel. I removed all the bones in the mackerel. And keep in mind, I'm still cooking vegetable cauliflower. So I added the mackerel. I'll allow this to steam, the mackerel to steam. While that is going on, I'm going to add the chicken liver. And the reason I'm using chicken liver is because it is loaded with a lot of iron. So I'll add the chicken liver. Added the chicken liver. I'll let it steam for a while. So now, keep in mind I'm still cooking vegetable cauliflower. I have all my protein ingredients in this pot. So I have chicken liver, I have mackerel, I have shrimps. So what I'm going to add now, I will be adding the frozen green peas. Adding the frozen green peas. And I'll be adding the rice cauliflower. I'm adding the rice cauliflower. And before I stir, I'm going to add my seasoning. Keep in mind I'm cooking rice, vegetable rice, cauliflower. Yeah, cooking my vegetable rice, cauliflower. And this is almost ready. Vegetable rice, cauliflower. So I'll be adding the spring onions. I've added the spring onions. So I'm just going to cover this and let it steam. And the vegetable rice cauliflower will be ready. I can't wait to try this out. So now the cauliflower, the vegetable cauliflower is ready. And this is very, very healthy. It's loaded with a lot of nutrients and vitamins, which our body needs to grow. So I added vegetables, green peas, carrots. The rice is actually made with cauliflower, which is also a vegetable. I have shrimps here, mackerel, chicken liver, and added a lot of spicy and seasoning, and this is ready. So this is so yummy and it actually tastes good. I really advise you to try this. You can substitute eating too much rice and carbohydrates with this rice cauliflower and loaded it with a lot of vegetables so that together we can stay healthy. And this is very, very good. This recipe is safe for all ages. You can share the recipe with your loved ones. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And also don't forget to like this video. And this is the cauliflower, the vegetable cauliflower. And it's ready. So yummy. I wish you were here to taste this. So thank you so much. It's still your girl, Cecilia O's. And I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Cecilia O's Word. And the vegetable cauliflower is ready. Thank you. I love you all. Bye for now.